If you are looking for garage door repair in Fort Lauderdale, then you've come to the right place. Again, Garage Door Service offers 24/7 emergency service for any garage door repair needs. We also offer free quotes over the phone, so give us a call today. We do have our phone number right on the video right now. We go from Miami all the way up to Boca Raton, and also check out our website for all of our internet specials. Thank you, and we look forward to serving all of your garage door repair needs.